If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And please hit that subscribe button down below so we can be YouTube friends. I just wanted to hop on real quick and show you guys these flowers I picked up from Michael's. Right now they're having 50% off all of their summer flowers. I'm going to try to show you guys. Got these white ones. Some little white delicate flowers. I got the white and the pink geraniums. There's the pink, there's the white, some pink and white of the delicate flowers, and then the pink, I think they call them dahlias. Yes. So you have the white and the pink dahlias. And I just thought they were really pretty. I don't normally go for artificial flowers, but a lot of people are going to be using them for their wedding, so I thought I would check them out. And last thing I got was this extra wide ribbon, pink and white stripes, and 2.5 inches wide, and it's wired, so I thought that would be really pretty. And normally all of this would have been right around $62, $51.93, but saved $30 just from their normal sale, no coupons, and it ended up paying $23.59. And that is for the ribbon, the 2 different kinds of dahlias, geraniums, the bellflowers, and the baby's breath. And you can see some of them were quite expensive, like $13 a bunch, and only $5.20. So if you have a Michael's nearby, you should definitely check them out. Grab some flowers. And I did the order online pickup in store that they just started. And so then you can use EBATES to get your cash back and then just go pick them up in store. So yeah, quick haul, but want to let you guys know about it. And if you guys have bought any flowers from Michael's, leave me a comment or a link and let me see what you got. And yeah, looking forward to putting these together. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you'd like to see more of my DIY wedding hauls. Thanks, guys. So that's it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Share them with me in the comments below or on social media at miyamorlife. I'll be turning all of this into wedding decor, so if you have any requests, definitely reach out and check back soon. I'd love to create more videos for you all, so please let me know what you'd like to see. I was a DIY bride, so I know what it's like, and I'd love to help you all out. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share, you guys. Thanks.